Right, we are now at the last learning objective here, which is we are going to find the area of the parallelogram and the area of a triangle by using A cross B. Yeah, amazingly. I mean, not A cross B vector, but it's just the word of the cross, a vector cross a vector, we will get the area of a parallelogram and then the area of a triangle. How amazing that is. So let's have a look at this question 10a. If a vector A and a vector B, find A cross B, and then hence determine the area of the parallelogram determined by the vectors A and B. So first thing first is find the A cross B dulu by using the conventional formula as you already know, and you got here for I minus 6j minus 2k vector, isn't it? So this is your answer for A cross B. So how do we find the area of parallelogram? So we have a formula for the area of parallelogram. The formula is just the magnitude. So easy. It is just the magnitude, guys. This is just the magnitude of the A cross B punya jawapan. So therefore, the formula of the magnitude pun you sudah pun tahu, which is the square root of 4 squared minus 6, plus with negative 6 squared plus with the negative 2 squared. And so yeah, your answer is 2 times square root 14. This is the answer for the area of the parallelogram for that having the vector A and the vector B. So yeah, let's move on to the next example. So the next example here lebih jelas lah. Example yang ini akan membuatkan you all lebih jelas macam mana cross product membolehkan kita dapat area of parallelogram. I'll tell you how. By using this example lebih jelas sebab kita ada point A, point B, point C dan point D. So dengan mempunyai 4 point A, point B, point C dan point D, lebih jelas terlihat the parallelogram. So this is where I already sketched for you guys the point A, point B, point C, point D. Bayangkan inilah parallelogram kita bila kita connectkan every point here from point A to point B, kita buat a line, buat a line that connects every point there, and therefore it form a parallelogram for you guys, okay? For us lah. Okay, and then if A, B and C form a parallelogram, dia kata find the coordinates of D. Sebab dia tak bagi coordinate of D untuk kita. Dia tak bagi, tidak apa, jangan risau, kita boleh cari dengan pakai ilmu basic maths yang kita ada, iaitu ilmu midpoint. Okay, midpoint. Kita tahu how to find the midpoint, dengan apa? Dengan connectkan the A and the C, and then connectkan the B and the D. Because what? Because we will see here the middle point. This is the middle point. We do not want the middle point. What we want to do is that when we connect them secara begitu, secara yang beginilah, A connect with the C, B connect with the D. This is basic knowledge, yeah. They are equal to each other. The midpoint of the AC is equal to the midpoint of the BD. Okay, this is helping you guys to find the coordinate of the D. Okay, coordinate of D ni kita tak tahu tapi kita letaklah X, Y, Z. Contoh, letak je lah X, Y, Z. So, how do we write down midpoint of AC? It's totally easy. So, what you gotta do is just coordinate X dia, 1 plus 1 here, and then divide it with 2. Dapatlah yang pertama punya bahagian, koordinat yang pertama. Untuk koordinat yang kedua adalah 0 tambah negatif 4 bahagi 2, dapatlah koordinat yang kedua ni. Dan yang ketiga pula 1 tambah 2 bahagi 2, dapatlah koordinat yang seterusnya. Bukanlah koordinat, I mean this point lah. Not this point juga, this value inside of this coordinate. Yes, that's the word. Okay, and so cari pula midpoint di antara B dan D. Caranya adalah sangat sama sahaja, iaitu 3 tambah X bahagi 2, 2 tambah Y bahagi 2, negatif 1 tambah Z bahagi 2. Okay, so these are the midpoints of BD. And so kita bolehlah buat comparison. Setelah kita simplifykan yang bahagian belah kiri ni, kita bolehlah buat comparison, comparing the x coordinate with the x, and so you will get the value of x, which is -1. We compare the middle here, the middle value here. Okay, dapatlah value of y, which is -5, and then we compare to get the z value. We will get 4 for the z value. Therefore, the coordinate of d donkey adalah -1, -5, and 4. These are the coordinate of d donkey. And so setelah dapat coordinate of d, barulah kita boleh label dekat sini dan kita boleh teruskan menjawab soalan yang seterusnya, which is finding the area of parallelogram A, B, C, and D. So the thing is, in order to do the area of parallelogram, we have a formula. Dia mestilah A cross B vector, and then kita punya paling penting sekali adalah kita nak cari the magnitude lah, betul tak? Tetapi magnitude tu is the last thing that after we got what is the vector that we want to cross them. The thing is, soalan ni mana ada vector A, vector B. Walaupun ini point A, point B, tapi tak bermakna ini adalah vector A, ini adalah vector B. Tidak. Okay, we have a parallelogram with which is 4 points here. Therefore, dia bukan lagi vector A kecil, vector B kecil, tidak ya. They have direction, They have direction. There are so many ways to find this area of parallelogram. One of the way is I choose B sebagai starting lah kan. I choose B as a starting where it goes outwards, the vectors go outwards. And so when it goes outwards, what? So we can find our BA vector and also BC punya vector. Okay, sebab apa kita perlukan dua vektor ni? Untuk apa? Untuk cari area of parallelogram lah, which is the BA vector will be crossed with the BC vector, and so then I'll put the magnitude untuk cari the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so what? So the thing is we need this vector dulu, vector BA daripada point A to point B to point A. Kita kena cari dulu vector BA dan juga cari vector BC. Because we need two vectors. As I said, we're going to need two vectors to find the area of parallelogram. Okay, so here we go. This is BA cross BC. This is the formula of the area of the parallelogram, which we do not know what is it. Dengan macam mana, so untuk tahu apa jawapannya, kenalah perlahan-lahan cari BA. BA is OA minus OB. Macam biasa, formula ni sudah pun you belajar pada 5.1. Okay, alright. So macam biasa, cari BA, cari BC, dapat jawapan, dapat dua vektor yang berlainan, barulah kita buatkan cross product di antara dua ini. Buatkan cross product di antara dua vektor yang sudah pun kita ada, yang sudah pun kita kira. Okay, masukkan ke dalam cross product punya formula, and so we will get this vector cross product, BA cross BC. This is our answers. This is our answer. Satu je answer kita. Okay. And then ada juga student saya tanya nanti, Madam, boleh tak saya nak buat BC cross BA? Boleh, tak ada masalah. You akan dapat jawapan yang sama juga. Cumanya lain sikit lah. Lainnya dari segi -9 minus -9i minus 2j and then minus 10k. Everything is minus, opposite direction. Itu je, opposite direction saja. Tapi nilainya sama. Kenapa, Madam, ada dua jenis jawapan untuk BA cross BC sama dengan BC cross BA? Why is it the same? Because we have this. Let me show you the magic. Where is this? Yeah, we have a GeoGebra to show you guys that, oh god, not this one. Sekejap. Is it this one? No, is it disappeared already? Hang on. Dah, hilang dah. I've done something this year. Where is my... Oh God. I have prepared for you guys. Okay, tak apalah. Untuk nampakkan um, di manakah mereka sama. Just give me 1 minute lah untuk tunjuk juga dekat you all. Okay, just give me some few minutes to copy the link. To show you guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully this is it. Yeah, this one. So I have prepared this GeoGebra punya command query where I want to show you guys, I put an effort to learn this GeoGebra lah, okay? To show you guys, saya sudah pun plot A, B, C dan D saya. Di bahagian kiri ni kalau you nampak kan ada point A, point B, point C sampai point D. Everything is the same as soalan yang kita buat tadi tau. So basically apa yang saya nak tunjukkan, plane ni adalah bukan plane, parallelogram ini adalah berada dalam bentuk 3D, you know. And so dia mempunyai beberapa vektor lah dekat sini kan. In this case saya buat vektor, kalau kamu nampak kan, nampak tak saya punya apa ni, warna pink dan warna biru. Perasan tak you all? Warna pink dan warna biru. Can you see warna pink dan warna biru? So warna pink dan warna biru ni adalah vektor from, kalau you nampak kan, vektor A, alamak nampak ke? Kalau you nampak kan, warna biru ni, warna biru cair ni adalah from point A to point B. Nampak tak arrow dia? The arrow is from point A to point B. So ada banyak cara untuk cari area of parallelogram. Point A to B adalah AB is AB vector. Manakala yang warna pink tu pula to A donkey, you know. Dia mesti going upwards. Dia tak boleh going inwards. Everything is going upwards. Kalau you pilih daripada point A, maksudnya point A to B is one vector. Point A to donkey is another vector. It's going upwards from the point A, you know. So this is another way of finding the answers juga. Okay. Yang penting apa yang saya nak tunjukkan dekat sini adalah, my point right now here is they kenapa kita kena cari cross product? Because of the perpendicular, you know. You nampak tak perpendicular daripada vector AB to the vector A donkey, they are perpendicular to the yang saya pakai thumb rule tu tadi tu. Perpendicular to the vector AB and the vector AD donkey. So they're going upwards, we will get AB cross A donkey. Manakala kalau kita ke bawah, buat kita thumb rule yang ke bawah ni, kita akan perasan the BA, the BA pula. The AD is crossed with the AB. So the opposite direction, sebab tu dia ada negative sign. Okay, because satu above, satu below. Alright? Okay, so that's why the negative sign is there, you know. Tapi dekat sini saya tak tunjuk lah you guys. Kalau you buat apa ni, let's say, okay, I write it down here. Let's say BC cross BA. Kalau you buat lah kan, kalau you buat BC cross BA, you will get negative 9i minus 2j minus 10k. You will get exactly the same value 9, the same value 2, the same value 10 here. Cumanya yang berbeza adalah the negative sign there. Okay, the negative sign there that will show you that they are just perpendicular to each other. Okay, that's why kita kena cari the cross product. The cross product means we will get its eventually kita akan dapat the area of parallelogram. Tapi kita kena mulakan dengan pencarian the cross product dulu. The cross product makes sense because it's perpendicular. to the vector BA and the vector BC. Sama juga kalau you nak letak BC dulu baru you letak BA, you akan dapat jawapan yang lebih kurang sama, cumanya the negative sign is there because of the opposite direction. Itu saja sebenarnya. So tak kisah apa yang you nak buat pun. You boleh buat daripada apa? You boleh buat yang tadi saya tunjuk dalam my GeoGebra. You boleh buat A to B. You juga boleh buat A to B and then B to A to D. So you boleh buat A, B. Okay, you boleh buat A, B cross with A, D. Ya, you boleh buat ini. Okay, you tak semesti ikut cara saya. Saya buat B A to B C. Saya buat B A cross with B C. Am I right? Yeah, this is what I did. B A cross B C. I do this. If you do not want to follow mine, you boleh buat cara you sendiri. You tengok jawapan you akan lepas. You buat juga yang A B cross with the A donkey. Yeah, you try it by yourself. You will get the same answer anyway. Okay, daripada apa-apa penjuru pun akan bagi kita jawapan yang sama, melainkan kita faham dia going outwards. The vector is outwards and we will have either AB cross A donkey ataupun apa? AD ataupun AD cross AB. Susah nak tulis, tak muat dah. So basically, eventually find the magnitude of my vector, two vectors here, and eventually the answer is square root of 185 unit squared. Okay, so basically they are the same area of parallelogram, even though this is negative sign because of meeting this square of this instead of the square root magnitude, and so the answer is still the same anyway. Sebab itulah tak kisah apa pun you guys buat, BC cross A, BC cross BA or BA cross BC is the same thing anyway. So jangan panik kalau jawapan you tidak sama dengan jawapan kawan, sedikit saja tak sama dari segi negative signs. Okay. So the last example from me is finding the area of triangle ABC. Kali ini tak ada lagi D, tak ada. It is actually from dia sebenarnya macam pada asalnya adalah bentuk parallelogram, tetapi bila kita separuhkan dia, kita akan dapat area of triangle sajalah. Sebab itulah formulanya adalah 1/2 daripada U cross V, you know. The formula is just half of this parallelogram punya area. The area of triangle is actually coming from the area of parallelogram, cumanya bahagi 2 saja. Okay, so now it's very easy, just finding the U vector and the cross vector. Sorry, the U vector cross with the V vector. Sebab apa? Sebab dia kata U vector adalah AB vector, V vector adalah AC vector. Macam parallelogram yang saya explain tadi tu. Okay, so tak ada apa yang perlu ditakutkan. Sangat senang. So basically kita just pakai saja U vector cross with the V vector. We've got the answers. This is negative 18 times with negative 18I minus 18J minus 9K, you know. Some of you might want to try, Madam, saya nak buat V cross U vector. Boleh tak? Boleh. Okay, boleh. Memang boleh. Okay, you akan dapat jawapan positive I, positive J, and then positive K. Boleh. Dapatkan jawapan ni juga. Sama saja. And then you cari magnitude dia sebab you nak cari the area of the parallelogram dahulu. And then the last step is just finding the area of triangle. Just put 1/2 here, times with its magnitude 27, and you will get 13.5 units squared. That's it. That is the area of triangle. So easy. And so we have finished finding the area of parallelogram and the area of triangle as our final learning objective. Finish! 5.3. Thank you.